Hello and welcome. In this video we bring to you another eye-catching shipping container loft in an industrial style located in the beautiful Lantern district of Dana Point, California. Welcome back. Would you buy this amazing house for 1.7 million US dollars? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. This amazing house is built on 2 levels, whereby the ground floor of the house is built using concrete frame and pebble stone. The second floor is built using 2 40-foot shipping containers and 2 20-footers. As you approach, you are welcomed by a striking custom-built automatic sliding barn door crafted from reclaimed wood. The spacious garage also doubles as a studio for artists, complete with a built-in Murphy bed for guests. The living space seamlessly connects with the outdoors through the La Cantina steel bifold door and an outdoor shower, adding an element of relaxation and natural beauty. The outdoor space is ultra private and perfect for entertaining. From the entrance is a modern style kitchen that comes with all essential appliances, enough counter space with overhead and under the counter storage cabinets, plus a sizable breakfast bar. The kitchen also has a bar flip window with a countertop as well as another bar top outside, perfect for entertaining. From the kitchen is a dining area fitted with a round dining table and chairs big enough to sit a group of 4 or more. The living space is big enough to accommodate lots of furniture. The abundant use of glass in the family gathering spaces. The first floor has a guest bathroom that serves the entire ground floor level. The house offers 2 sumptuous bedrooms located upstairs. The master bedroom is spacious enough to accommodate a queen bed. It is also fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass doors that offer breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. This space also offers direct access to the balcony from which to appreciate the captivating outdoors. The master bedroom is joined by a walk-in closet and an up-to-date master bathroom featuring all the bathroom necessities and a big window to light up the bathroom space. The second bedroom is not just cozy and spacious, but also well lit by sizable glass windows with amazing views of the property. To carry the industrial theme of the house through and through, the house has got exposed air conditioning ductwork on the lower level of the house. The back deck downstairs has got a television installed as well as heaters so that it can be used as an outdoor entertainment space all year round. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior on the first floor level and are painted in conspicuous colors. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container homes from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.